Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So in today's video, I thought I'd do a little collective haul of things that I've accumulated over the quarantine time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start showing you some of the products that I've picked up. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with Abercrombie because they were having a sale, so I ended up picking up some stuff from them. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So the first piece that I picked up is this really cute little cheetah bikini. It's super cute. It's not that cheeky. I mean, it looks a little cheeky, but it's not that bad. It's so cute, and I love that it comes high on the waist. Super pretty. And then I also got this matching top. It's strapless, but then it also comes with the straps if you want to add those in. Super cute. It does come with padding, but I'll probably take the padding off because I feel like I just don't need it or don't like it. So yeah, super cute set. I'm gonna try to find all the links and link them for you guys down below. The next piece that I got is a bralette. I feel like their bralettes are super cute, and again, they were having a sale, so why not? So I picked this one up. It's like a nude color. It was padded, but I don't like the padding. I like kind of like flimsy and like soft. So this super pretty like florally lace detail on it. Is it focusing? I think so. Well, yeah, so I ended up picking this little guy up. Then I ended up getting two basic tops. So I got this drapey v-neck top, super basic. Oh, it looks kind of like a u-neck right now, but there we go. V-neck top, super basic. I just thought I could use the one this color, so I could just throw it on with jeans or for shorts or something, or sorry, with shorts. Super easy top. And they ended up also picking it up in the white color. So this is what it looks like. It's long. You can like knot it at the front or just leave it long and tuck it into your bottoms. I also ended up picking up this super pretty cami. It's like yellow with lace detailing. Super cute. I already shot some pics in this, so definitely go check out my Instagram so you can see how I styled this. But yeah, I love the color. So pretty for spring and summer. Another one of my favorite pieces, and actually the last piece from Abercrombie that I got, is this beautiful cheetah, is it cheetah or like leopard dress? Super cute. I love the sleeve detailing. It's like super pretty, and then like the ruching or like the scrunched fabric up here, super nice. And what I love about it is that it has pockets, so cute, and there is a little slit in the dress. Oh, I think it's on the side actually. Yep, the slit is right here. Super cute, so easy just to throw on, put a jean jacket or leather jacket over the top, turn it into like a day to night outfit, which I absolutely love. So I ended up picking this up. Again, I also shot this outfit, so go check out my Instagram to see how I styled this guy. I also went to, well, I didn't go, I shopped on PacSun. They were having a really good deal. I think it was like buy one get a pair of denim for free. So I ended up going with this one. This is the PacSun mom jeans in a size 23. They're just black denim. You know, I feel like you can't go wrong with just black plain straight leg denim. This is in the mom jean cut, which I really like. So I ended up picking that pair, and then I ended up also picking out this one. This is the high-rise straight in a 23 as well. Super cute, simple. I didn't want any like big cuts or rips in it because I feel like you can style them more if they're just like more basic. It does have like a tiny little rip out like on the back, but that's okay. Super cute, love the wash, and yeah, ended up picking up those two. And then, sorry, I'm just trying to move all my stuff over here. Then I ended up going to, Target, and I ended up buying this pair of like Yoke Pants. These are from Colsey. I don't know the brand. But yeah, super cute. This is in a size extra small, and it's just like this color right here, kind of like faded. What is this called? Like a overwash? No. What is that called? Like a burnout, like a burnout color wash, sorry. So it's super cute. I love these leggings just to like lounge in, especially now during these quarantine times. I really loved that piece. I also ended up picking up this sweater. I'm just gonna show you guys. So okay, so I ended up picking up this sweater. It's cute. It's like a cropped sweater in this minty color. I got it in a size up, so I ended up getting it in a medium. It's super cute and cozy. And then I ended up getting, oh my god, I don't know if you can see these little shorts. Super cute. Love them. I'm trying to like scratch down for you guys, but yeah, super cute. Love these, like the little tie-dye print that's going on, and they're high-waisted, which I love, and they're super cute, super flattering. So yeah, ended up picking up those pieces, and then I also ended up picking this out at Target, which I'm so obsessed with. It's so cute. It is this little water bottle right here. So if you didn't know, if you haven't been watching my videos, I'm actually visiting my mom in Florida, well, my parents in Florida. So obviously like all my stuff isn't here because I don't live here. I live in Jersey. So they don't have water bottles, and I feel like when I have a water bottle, I just find myself more accountable to drink water. And yeah, they don't have that. They just have cups, and I don't like going back to the fridge to get more water because I just don't. You know, their house is big, so I don't want to run down the stairs, go to the kitchen, get water, come back upstairs. So a water bottle is perfect. And this one I actually left the sticker on so I can remember. This one is 20 ounces, so I fill this up about maybe 4 times a day, which isn't that bad. I'm trying to do more, but we'll see. So yeah, and I love the mint color going on. I'm like so obsessed with it right now. It's like perfect. So I ended up picking up that. I'm actually gonna drink some water because I got a little thirsty. Okay, next I ended up picking up these. These are so cute. I'm so obsessed with this boot. This is the Aldo and Tezza collab. Guys, these boots are, first of all, made for walking. Second of all, they are so cute and literally go with every single outfit I own. I love it. This white booty trend is totally like all over the place, and I love the little star details. It just adds something a little bit fun to your normal everyday white booty. So I ended up picking up that, which I love. Then I ended up picking up these 3 little cups from Amazon. So they're just like your little clippies. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. So I ended up picking up these. I have the white one on my hair right now, and then it came with a black one, and then a brown like-ish sheer color. So these are really cute. They were only $3 on Amazon, so love these guys. And yeah, last but not least, I ended up picking up a couple things from the Sephora sale, so I'm just going to share that with you guys really quick. So first guy here is the Way hair oil. Guys, I talk about this all the time. This is my favorite hair oil. I just got it and I've been using it so much already. It's amazing. It smells so good, so fresh, so floral, just amazing smell, and it does amazing things for my hair. If you guys didn't know, I dye my hair. You can't really tell right now because my hair is kind of like growing out, but I dye my hair blonde, and I feel like that just gives a little bit extra shine and like life to my ends, which is amazing. So I've been really loving this, and I go through these like crazy, so I bought a new one. And then I ended up picking this up. This is the a Cosmetics CC cream. I feel like everybody talks so much about this, and I've tried this before. Didn't like it, returned it, and now I rebought it because I want to give it a second chance. So I'm wearing it today. I will keep you all posted to see how I like it, but I just wanted to let you know that I repurchased this. So yeah, we'll see how this time, like how I like this product this time around. Yeah, pick this guy up. Ooh, I also ended up picking up the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Detox Ultra Gel Patches. So this is what the box looks like, and I'm just going to show you the packaging because it is so cute. Well, not cute, but sleek. I love like the sleek feeling of it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I hope it focused. But yeah, so I ended up picking up these. Very excited to try these out because I heard great things about this. It was a little bit pricey, but if they're good, I mean, you know, you decide where you want to spend your money. But yeah, I'm excited to try those. And then I ended up picking up a couple of things from Summer Fridays. So the first one is the CC Serum. First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. Sorry guys, lighting's kind of bad over here. It's not my usual setup, but yeah. I really hope it focused. Okay, anyway, so I ended up trying this out earlier this morning. Nothing that I could report yet because I only tried it out once. I'm going to try it out again for the next couple weeks, and I will keep you posted on if I like this product or not. But first off, like, the consistency is good. It's not like super oily, which I thought it was going to be. It's more like watered, which is a little bit different for me because I'm used to like the serum being a little bit more thick and more like oily consistency instead of like water based. So yeah, those are my first thoughts on that one. And then I also ended up picking up the Summer Fridays Super Amino Gel Cleanser. So it looks like this. Again, I'm totally obsessed with the mint color. Mint everywhere, I love it. So yeah, this guy, it's like a normal cleanser, nothing great. I used this morning as well. Nothing like amazing or out of this world, but I only used it once, so I'm gonna see how I like it for the rest of the week, and I'll let you guys know. But so far, it works well. Like, I didn't have any makeup on. It was just the first thing I put on my skin was just this cleanser to just get me ready for the day. So yeah, that is, I think that's everything I ended up purchasing so far. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Like I said, I'm gonna have links to this all down below. A lot of this stuff is still on sale, so definitely check out the links below so you can catch the sales. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any video requests or questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next video.